All right, so this morning we took a really nice short that was a pre-planned short per our battle plan that we've been talking about for the past 2 days. We did that on Zoom and YouTube Live. Let me give you a glimpse into tonight's battle plan. In the recap section, it's going to start off like this. As stated in last night's battle plan 1 was nearly activated at the end of the day. See the chart below. I will continue to monitor closely. I also noted in my prediction in this morning's AM briefing, which was yesterday, if that comes true, it should be a great entry if presented. So yesterday we talked about the same entry. And then in this morning's AM briefing, I remarked once again, I will keep a close eye on battle plan number 1. Yes, the bulls are in control and the shorts are indeed counter trend. That doesn't mean you can't take a short that is strategic and pre-planned. That's the beauty of the battle plan being published the night before. We're calm, cool, and collected. We know exactly where we want to go long and where we want to go short. These trade ideas are pre-planned, not knee-jerk reactions. The hard part, waiting. You do like a short between here and you're out is at 80 in my opinion, or at the high. Just because we got back inside the strong range, testing the top of it at 78, and stop could be above the high there. It would be small. So somewhere between here and the high, I think you could take a small short. Somewhere in here if you wanted. Of course, it's before the opening, 10 minutes before the opening. All that's dangerous, so. But small stop. Alternatively, you could wait till it gets under inside of, and really first target is POC from yesterday. See if that thing will pop up there, 77 to 79. So if you were here earlier, we said if you wanted to get short anywhere in here, it's short there with either your stop above there or about 80. If you got short, we're looking to target at least POC. And then of course, can we get to here? If we make it to there, our eyeballs are going to move to these guys. You know, what do I know? We might go up and make an all-time high today. You know what I mean? I think anywhere between 77 and 79 to 80. We are 5 minutes before the opening. Super high risk time, but man, it made it into our area we're looking for a price to get to, for us to get short. So more than likely, it comes to the bottom of the range. It bounces back up. Will that push it back down? If it gets back above there, your out's above the strong or it's above the high. And then we reset for here. If it pushes through here, this would be the next entry for the mapping. All right, bouncing off the bottom of the strong range there. Will it come into here and push back through? This would be the safer entry here, short, if you're looking for a short. This would be the safer entry. But if we get back up there, this is also a possible entry. Out above that or above the new high. If it gets back up there, we're going to target this area here. In my opinion, if we go down, first thing we're going to do is target POC, as we said, 62. We get underneath there, we're going to target this strong level here. We get underneath there, we're going to target the expected range in bull bear. So looking for it to reach to the bottom of the range, bounce back up to here. Unfortunately, we got the opening here in a minute. This could be a first entry short if you're just joining us late. You want to wait till it gets underneath here. This would be the second entry. Target POC, strong range, and then the expected range in the bull bear line. If you get short, that's what you got to target. Bulls control, as we know, but it made it into our area that we're looking to get short. But this is where I mapped out the first entry.